Thanks for tuning in. In the last video you've seen me attempt the lowering kit for the front of the Z71 in the garage. I ran out of time, took longer than I expected, and in order to close my garage door and have everything secure in here, I basically had to put the truck back together, move it outside over here. That's what you're going to see in this video. Me with it outside, and we're going to restart the lowering kit in the front. This is a 4/6 drop, so keep watching. Alright, so basically here I have to do a little more than normal. Took the lower control arm off, and I'm trying to get this lift kit out. As you can also see, because you had to modify your front differential here, that means I got to change it back out, which I got another one laying over there. So yeah, normally this lowering kit would be pretty quick, but because I'm taking out this lift kit, it's taking a lot longer than what it would normally take. But as you can see here, I'm definitely going to have to get new ball joints, because these are shot, which I have new ones. It's just I need to press those out right there, and I'm not sure if I want to tackle that today or not. But we definitely got to do it. So let's see what happens. We'll go on over to the other side. basically, with the lowering kit, it doesn't really take too long, but I already had a lift kit in there, as I have said before in the previous videos, so it took a lot longer than normal because I had to remove the 6-inch lift kit, also remove the modified front differential, and start with the lowering kit, and then I ran into the ball joint issues being wore out, so I had to address that, and then also had to reinstall a non-modified front differential. So that's what takes place here, as you've seen in that video. So basically, stay tuned for the next video where we will start with the alignment and how we're going to dress everything because we lowered it. So if you made it this far, thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. Comment below too so that I know that you watched the video. And until next time, keep it simple, keep it sweet.